This is John Kennedy with Kennedy's Kitchen. We look forward to playing the music for your wedding. Imagine the day as the band is already seated in the church before the guests arrive, and as they arrive we begin to play a selection of just light pieces of music, jigs, hornpipes, just setting the mood for the day. The three pieces that we've selected here are for the ceremony itself. Fanny Power is the kind of tune that we like to play for the entrance of the families and the bridesmaids. It's a little more formal and kind of tells the people there in the church that the ceremony is beginning. Planks to Irwin is our favorite choice for the entrance of the bride herself. And then, once the actual ceremony is done and the bride and groom turn and face the congregation as husband and wife, we like to play Merrily Kiss the Quaker or a similar tune to help begin the celebration. We'll see you there.